Hi, Tammy McDonald here. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if this is your first time watching any of my videos, I put content out weekly to give you different tips and strategies that you could possibly utilize in your own personal growth journey. And if you would consider subscribing to the channel, that would be appreciative, and just hit the little bell so that you never miss a video. Also, before we get into today's topic about time management, I have a link below the video that you can click on anytime if you want to. It gives you a free personal training series to go more in depth on how to develop a better mindset so that you can tackle all aspects of your life to become a more happier and confident individual, and to also succeed in whatever endeavors it is that you want to accomplish. Okay? All right. Again, topic today is about time. We all say we don't have enough of it, but yet we all have 24 hours in a day. What gives, right? Well, I think really what the difference is between most people that achieve in their life and people that don't is their time management skills. What you need to do, and what I do, is that you got to think ahead of time, either the night before or the morning of. You wake up and you go, okay, what do I need to do today? What do I need to do just today, so you're not overwhelmed, to get something done that I either need to get done in my personal life, that I either need to do, let's say you're going to college, you're an adult in school, what schoolwork do I need to get done? Or let's say you're running an online business, or you just started one and you need to upload content, or you need to create content, or you've got email writing, you got something that needs to be done, but you don't know when you're going to do it. So the first thing you do is you're either going to write it down the old-fashioned way, things to do today that I would like to get done, or you could put it in your cell phone, things I need to get done. Okay, next thing, when? If you're like me, most people out there have an 8 to 5 job, okay? Monday through Friday, those hours are occupied. But did you ever consider you got time driving into work, you got time driving back? Depends on your commute, right? Or you've got time on your lunch break, okay? Most people have maybe 30 to 60 minutes time on their lunch break. What if you could utilize that time in little increments of 15 minutes to an hour to maybe study for a college course that you need to get done, to maybe put some content up for your business? Those are two things that you can do. Or in your personal life, maybe you need to run an errand. So go on your lunch break, run the errand, come back, so you don't have to waste that time when you get off of work. Then, of course, you get home. If you're like most people, you've got kids to deal with, or you got to make dinner, you need to pick up dinner. You got to spend some time with your family. That's number one, always. And then you got downtime. You take your shower, you get settled in for the night. I mean, what are you looking at? Maybe if you're a person that goes to bed around 10 p.m., like me, because I got to get up early in the morning. Well, usually by the time I get everything else done, I have between 7 p.m. and 10 p.m., I got 3 extra hours for me. Now, if you are somebody who's got to watch their favorite show on Netflix, well, then budget 1 hour of time only for that, for entertainment. Take the other 2 hours and divide them up into your college work or your business, right? So if you didn't get it done on your lunch break or before and after your commute from work, then you budget those extra 2 hours at night before you go to bed and devote it solely to those projects that need to get done. And this is what you do, and it's just rinse and repeat. You do it Monday through Thursday maybe, because I know everybody needs a little break mentally by Friday. So I'm not even counting Friday. I think you should have a rest day, because honestly I know I need one. So you just budget it Monday through Thursday. Let's say you put in 3 hours every week towards what you need to get done. Well, there's 15 hours that you just devoted to either your schoolwork, your personal life, or your job, or your online business. You did something to push the needle forward to get you closer to your end result, whatever that big goal is. Graduation from school, or maybe it's becoming successful at your job online, making money. Isn't that what we all want to do? So tell me what you think about that idea. I call them buckets of time. It's sort of similar to my thoughts on bucket of money, having buckets of money, which I did in another video. If you haven't seen that, check it out. But it's the same concept. So instead of having something physical that you're working towards, it's an intangible thing. It's intangible management of time increments. Okay? Give me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are. I'd love to hear it. And also, if you want to, click on the link below the video to get the more in-depth free personal growth training series that I made just for you, to help you become a more happier and confident individual, and to be more successful in your life in all aspects. Relationships, finances, whatever it is that you need to set out to do for your personal growth. And again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I surely would appreciate that. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye.